Well, after repairing about 1,000 odd transponders over the years, I thought I'd seen it all, but this one has taken it beyond what I've ever seen before. So it's just come in for repair. I've just opened it up, and this area here is where the batteries should be. I have absolutely no idea why, but the batteries seem to have been replaced by wood screws, and I don't know what those things are, some kind of raw plug type thing. There's a whole load of them there. Absolutely no idea why anyone would want to do that, but hopefully I'll still be able to repair the transponder. I can't be 100% sure till I get it all apart now. Anyway, whatever your transponders, even if they look like that, we can probably fix them at Kart Crazy. And don't forget, this time of year, get your transponders charged up and check they're working plenty of time before your first race meeting. Don't wait until the last minute and find they don't work. Bye.